Go on. Pick it up.
Hey, Jacob. Throw one my way.
Ain't gonna work, David. Ain't gonna work.
There is something I could do that would throw you off, but I ain't gonna do it. Mostly because Gus is right there. I would feel terrible if I tore Gus.
Kill him.
Yeah.
You wouldn't feel terrible. You would feel nothing at all.
Okay, now you're good.
Oh, sweet Jesus Christ.
Do have two more here. Oh! I missed! What are you doing?
I know his when.
Oh! In my jaw. Oh God, he bit me! Oh God! What the? Oh God, my nipple!
Oh, such fascinations with those things.
Oh, y'all are so cute together.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Digging.
Oh! Yes!
Sparky and Spirit can get along.
Exactly.
Maybe. They might actually be trying to bond.
Huh? You bitch. Oh, God, right.
Oh, yes!
Oh.
Good shot.
Annie?
Oh, high five.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh, and
In my eye! Oh! That's not my hand! Whose hand is this? Who's that? Oh my God!
So you know it's bad when he still can't figure it out.
Oh,
Don't punch me there.
be the voice of reason. No, no!
Okay. I need to get out of the shirts I can like get caught in some.
All I wanted to do was blow my nose.
No.
What?
Never.
When did that happen?
I was trying to get
There you
up
go.
and then I got hit with a pillow. And then another pillow.
He
You like
said,
this?
all I was trying to do was blow my nose.
I thought he said he wanted to smell his nose. I was like, what?
Yes! Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, man.
Everywhere.
Suddenly.
Whoa, God damn it.
Suddenly pillows.
Give me a minute. Moment to reflect.
Ooh.
No, thank you.
No, wait.
No, no,
When
no,
you
no,
made me
no,
cry
no.
laughing.
Yes, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Bring it on down, Lickerville.
Bring it on down, Lickerville.
Do the up down thing. Up down, up.
You're out of tune. If you're gonna sing it, sing it right.
I don't know the words.
Oh, God, it's nasty.
Is there any blood in there?
Oh.
Did go barking pretty hard.
No blood. I'm safe.
Awesome.
Okay. Good.
That
Good.
means we can keep hitting him.